Part 2 of the vehicle. Part 2. Sí, ese. Thank you. Then súbete. Part 2 of the new vehicle. We're gonna be working on it today. We're gonna be focusing under the car or under the vehicle this time. I know last video you guys saw we focused on the radiator, which is the engine part. For this video we're gonna focus on the bottom part. It's something like very minimal. No, se va a romper. Something very minimal, but something that will bug me if I don't do it. So, and it's something you see it from pretty far away too. You don't even see it, like once you're standing over the vehicle like this, you can't even see it actually. But yeah, we'll explain about that later. Before that, we'll go ahead and finish off the engine, which we did buy the engine degreaser. We're gonna spray it, spray under, prep what we're gonna be doing under there. Oh, agárralo ahorita. Spraying under, getting, prepping everything, power washing it, and should be good to go. So yeah, right now we're just gonna do a little quick rinse, wash on the whole engine and under part. Oh, a little pause on the cinematics. See, he's our little nephew. He wants to be out there. My mom takes care of him. He was at my mom's house, so we kind of kidnapped him. But yeah, he wants to work on the cars. Hey, Integra. He's gonna be working on the Integra pretty soon. Dale, recio. No, recio. Recio. Así. Oh, para acá adentro. Make sure he doesn't fall. Alright guys, this is what we're going to be working on this time, which as you guys can see, I guess it's another reveal. This vehicle does have a lift kit, which means it is lifted. As you guys can see, all the control arms, all the lift stuff is down here, and this is what we're going to be working on. His main bar right here, the support bar, we're going to be painting it. And where the cans? Oh, this center bar, I guess we're gonna give you guys another hint. The whole car is black with a little bit of red, so it has red hints here and there. So that's why, like I mentioned earlier in the video, you can't really see this from the outside unless you're standing like far away, because it is lifted. You're able to see this bottom part. So this bottom part I picked up. I was initially gonna do it red, but then I texted him and I was like, what if we do it? I found this glitter Rust-Oleum paint, which is red glittery. We'll see how it looks. We sprayed a little bit on a fender, on the Mustang fender, and it looks good. We like how it looks. It's not too out there, like the cap makes it seem like it's all like super shiny and glittery. It's not like that, at least we don't think so. And and then the lower control arms, the bigger arms down here, we're gonna just regular flat black. So it's gonna be flat black, glitter red, and flat black in the sides. So yeah, right now I'm just prepping it, drying it. We just cleaned it already, drying it, ready to spray some paint. So yeah, we'll show you guys a little bit later how it looks. Alright, so we spray the lower control arms black, as you can see. Looks 10 times better. Yeah, it looks a lot better now. So right now we're gonna spray the center with the glitter red. You guys are gonna see right now how it looks. This is gonna be a surprise for us too, because we don't know how it's gonna look. Alright, so the mic died. We're losing a lot of sunlight already, but we did finish the engine bay. Looks almost new. We did add those glitter red accents. I mean, they look kind of just sand red right now, but with the sunlight, it is glitter paint. He wanted to add it. We were actually gonna add more to it, but we're like, nah, we'll just keep it black and just add a little hint of red right there. Right now we're gonna go under and let you guys see the finished product. Once we reveal the whole vehicle, then you guys are gonna be able to see the whole picture and what we mean as far as like just little details as far as that one. Make sure just go ahead and like, subscribe, go ahead and turn on those post notifications. We are gonna be uploading daily. That is the goal, every single day. Right? We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. Hopefully the camera catches all this because there's no mic attached to it right now. But let's go ahead and look at it under and see you guys another day.